kwanirega mambi tukapata maandamano yo murembe nturi gocha gionde na inde chena natagete kwanirega ntekemo bantu bare bachakire go politicize this protests about the banga we are being funded by the agency. We are not politically affiliated. We're just a group of youths that are tired with this county. We want to hold them accountable. Acha tutabi ngai tax teto chigoti ngai kiago koranga skia korire ever since devolution ya chagite bono mambia maandamano igakara yo murembe nende onyo kabangete ngakore ngari bantu banje bachi kusari maandamano ari ondo ora utirigina. That's not agency aina embipango yao bakwate gutobera ne mambi
Njengol ku Isaac nguru tente teto kwandira mangana bere mambi abakazi banyamira monne anene mono chenzi ndoko bata maandamano are peaceful tutayo kuna ndo kionde tutayo gosali Mario Ndebuansi inyanya ne gupara anya kutwara kwandamana ito imogari twakorere gochi egioski kiago. We want to address issues concerning Nyamira County mono mangana nyaribo ndubana bantu banyamira twarosire no boraibwa governor Amos Nyaribo na serikali ya Yonsi. We want to tell him that dissolve a cabinet ya Yonsi no motikeruta akora we start afresh ekogera tokontevi nga ndobwato mu CCM for over 60 years utenendeta abasai na kiara akora manye emechando tugwetera kuna abasai moisondeka mwarora abani ne abasike bamindo batwakuja so mupira bakanda migori abana bamindo bakora ari chigarime gogo bakabwa kimambi hakuna pesa waliekewa inganende bachiko ko represent Nyamira parare chigarime ekendekine ke kono masana nje mono musa Nyamira County. So mambi ndobata mana yo marembe ndo sari ngento kionde kakya basai ba mindoba Nyamira nko ba sorora. You join us in this. We make a change in Nyamira. Nyamira must change, and we don't request this. We are demanding. Gabana Nyaribo nate abatenga tonde to was to kwana was eki ndu we are leaderless, we are partless, ndu ba dendo utora ndu ka to kwera